Who that man? Looking nice. Mrs. Anderson. Hi guys, welcome to date night. Welcome to another video guys. So we're actually out tonight as you can see. Just out having a date night. It's very important to have these nights. Not sure if you guys are hearing me because there's so much music playing. Yeah guys, we just decided that it's time to go out on a date night. So we're here.
3-4 months?
It's been a while. We're here sipping on sangria. Hold on guys. So rosé sangria. And that's just having a mimosa. But I think I like that miss. Yeah. The two orange. You can probably swap. This is the sangria table for like. Nice. Yeah, that's too orangey. Yeah guys, so stick and stay. What else are we gonna be doing tonight? Guys, stick and stay. Yeah.
Receive the code. Receive the code. I'm planning on hourly. Like it might be 3 hour minute with them.
Yeah.
Just give me 3 hour money. Including I'm planning to do
4-day one, yeah.
Shut the payment. Yeah, the payment.
Morning guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog guys. As you guys can see, I'm getting dressed to go outside. I'm actually now outside, and why am I outside? It's time to shovel snow. This is one of the downside of living in a house compared to an apartment. You have to shovel your own snow. While you're in an apartment, the apartment complex or the apartment rental company is responsible for it. So we got up to snow this morning guys, so we have to shovel as soon as it snows, because I don't like when the snow build up because it turns ice and then it's just much harder that way. So now I'm outside. I'm about to get this shoveling going. Guys, pray for me. It's not my first time shoveling snow, but it's my first time shoveling snow in over a year. Because when we lived in a house that we rented before, we had to shovel our own snow, but we lived in an apartment, so we hadn't had to do that. Good thing is that we're not getting a lot of snow this winter, but definitely still getting snow. So I'm gonna match that up. Alright guys, you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe. So I have these two snow shovels guys. One is powered and one is labored. I'm trying to figure out which one I'm gonna use. That's the snow on the ground so far. Not that thick, but it's building up. So I'm gonna just get rid of that right at the step right here, so there's not much. And we have to do the sidewalk as well. We have to do the sidewalk. Yeah guys, that guy here always a park right at our house, but we bust him still because theme yard, I'll be a car over there, you know, no more space. In garage full, in driveway full. So you just go and catch that right there. So I did not buy a new truck, that's not my truck. Alright. So, look who match this up now, guys. Look who match this up.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't
Yes, guys. So that's enough shoveling for now. We might have to go back out there later on today because it's still snowing. Saying hi? Because it's still snowing, so we like to just box it off as it snow so that it don't build up. Because when it build up, it becomes more difficult to shovel, right? So it's better just do it as soon as it snow, ice it so that it don't form into salt it so that it doesn't form into ice. You understand? So I'm just inside right now warming up. Outside is negative 18 degrees. Pretty cold morning, guys. Malika. Yeah, guys. So that's the downside of living in a house compared to living in an apartment. Hey, mommy, you're walking a man shot. That's the downside of living in a house compared to an apartment, guys. But that's what it is. It's just something that you have to get used to. You understand? Big up everybody who has stayed tuned to this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, guys. Really tired. We got in probably after 3 to 4 this morning. Got a little bit of shut eye. The kids woke us up very early. So yeah, we don't get much sleep. But that's okay. I was telling us that we're getting too old for this, but sometimes it's very important for you to just take a second to just, connect back. Go on a date night, no kids, no nothing. And just do it as though you were before kids. It's very important, guys. So that's what we did last night. And yeah, it was a vibe. Definitely, it was a vibe. Yeah, hopefully we can do it a lot more often. That's one of our goals for 2024. Anyways, guys, big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.